Hi students, next continuation, that is oxidation of alkenes and alkynes with strong oxidizer, that is KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. This KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, these both are strong oxidizing agent. These both are strong oxidizing agent. It can oxidize, that is double bond and triple bond also student. So first now take the example student, that is unsymmetrical alkene, that is 1 propene is student. When 1 propene react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen or hot or consonant KMnO4, hot and consonant KMnO4, it gives first step student. What happens student, in this bond cleavage student, here bond cleavage, we will get the two types of product will be produced. Two types of product will be produced student, that is CH3 CHO plus and HCHO. Then after that, in further steps, again oxidation with KMnO4, it gives carboxylic acid, that means acetic acid. It is also giving formic acid. It is very most important student. When alkenes react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogens, in this first step is aldehyde is formed. Simply remember student, just put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here. It is similar to, that is what is that, that is oxidative ozonolysis student. It is similar to oxidative ozonolysis. In this first step is aldehyde is formed, CH3CHO plus formaldehyde is present. Two types of product will be produced, that is one is acetaldehyde, another one is formaldehyde. This acetaldehyde again oxidation in the presence of K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4, it gives acetic acid, and another one is formic acid. This formic acid again oxidation, you remember student, this formic acid is unstable, again oxidation, it gives rise to what happens, that is carbon dioxide plus water. It is very most important. When formic acid oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide is gas is liberated. So this is very most important student. This acetic acid further oxidation, there is no reaction student, there is no reaction. So you remember student, there is alkenes also. This alkenes also oxidized with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, it gives acid group will be formed. If in case unsymmetrical alkenes, it gives two types of product will be formed, that is acetic acid, another one is formic acid. If you take the symmetrical alkenes, when symmetrical alkenes oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, once again in the symmetrical alkene CH3 CH double bond CH symmetrical alkene, again oxidation, symmetrical alkene oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, simple remember student, that is bond cleavage here student, to give same type of product will be produced, CH3COOH. I am writing final production, 2 moles of acetic acid will be formed. That means these both are equal, symmetrical. Cut this bond, here CH3 CH is there, left hand side, right hand side also same thing, CH3 CH is there. So this first step is aldehyde is formed, after that again oxidation to give acid. So I wrote direct product, I wrote student, that is acetic acid will be formed, that is 2 moles are equal, same type of product will be formed, that is CH3COOH. In symmetrical alkenes, on oxidation to give same type of product will be formed. If in case, if you take the unsymmetrical alkenes in the presence of KMnO4, to give two types of product will be formed, that is acetic acid, another one is formic acid. Now take the student one more example student, then now take the unsymmetrical alkene student. This unsymmetrical alkene, that is 2-methyl 2-propene react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is your bond cleavage student. Here also same two types of product will be formed, that is acetone will be formed, CH3COCH3. Put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here. One is acetone, another one is formic acid is formed. One is acetone, another one is formic acid will be formed. It is very most important student. When unsymmetrical alkene react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, here bond cleavage student, put the one oxygen here, that is acetone, another one is acid. This acid again, this formic acid again oxidation to what happens to, that is this unstable, so that's why it is CO2 plus water. Formic acid oxidation with KMnO4, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. Then this is also very most important student. Now take the one more example student, that is 2 comma, that is 2 methyl 2 butene, 2 methyl 2 butene. It is also, it is symmetrical alkene student. Sorry, it is not symmetrical alkene student, it is unsymmetrical alkene student. It is unsymmetrical alkene student. 2 methyl 2 butene react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen. You remember, so not only this KMnO4, if you should, out of these two, this KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, both are oxidizing agent. We should take any one, KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. So if in case K2Cr2O7, that is also same type of product will be produced. Both reagents are, these both reagents are strong oxidizer. These both strong oxidizer to give same type of product will be produced. That is very most important student. This is unsymmetrical alkene student, that is 2 methyl 2 butene. This is unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives two types of product will be produced. That is two different types of product will be produced. That is here bond cleavage, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here, that is CH3 CO CH3, and another one is CH3 COOH. One is acetone is formed, another one is acid is formed. This is the simple trick student. This is unsymmetrical alkane. On oxidation with KMnO4 it gives, one is acetone will be formed, another one is acid will be formed. That is acetone and acetic acid will be formed. Then after that, this is symmetrical alkene student. This symmetrical alkane, that is 2, 3 dimethyl 2 butene, that is 2, 3, that is methyl group present on second carbon and third carbon. So 2, 3 dimethyl 2 butene. Oxidation with KMnO4 by acidic hydrogen, it is also giving, that is two types of product will be formed. Same type of product will be formed. Same type of product will be formed, that is CH3 CO CH3 plus CH3 CO CH3 will be formed. This is the very most important. So these both are giving acetone, CH3COCH3 and CH3COCH3 due to the presence of symmetrical alkanes. If in case symmetrical alkanes always giving same type of product, if in case unsymmetrical compounds always giving different types of product. This is the simple trick. This is the oxidation of alkenes by KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. This KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 act as a strong oxidizing agent. It can oxidize double, that is double bonded carbons and triple bonded carbon also. Now next example, that is triple bonded carbon, that is propane. This propane also on oxidation with KMnO4. This KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is two types of product will be produced, and that is CH3 COOH. Here bond cleavage, three carbons are there. Here also it is also unsymmetrical alkynes. Here also 1, 2, 3 carbons are there. Bond cleavage in between this carbon and this carbon. One is acetic acid, another one is formic acid is formed. And one more step. Then again this KMnO4, again formic acid and oxidation with KMnO4, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. This is the final production. Now take the, and this one is acidic acid, another one is formic acid. Formic acid is unstable to give again oxidation to give carbon dioxide plus water. This acidic acid and further oxidation, what happens when there is no reaction? Acidic acid cannot oxidize with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. And second, next one student, that is 2-butane, that is symmetrical alkyne. This is symmetrical alkyne. 2-butane is symmetrical alkyne. Oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen or K2Cr2O7. Here bond cleavage student, here bond cleavage, here two left hand side 2 carbons are there, right hand side also 2 carbons are there. Here same type of product will be produced, that is CH3COOH. CH3COOH plus CH3COOH. Both are same type of product will be produced because of this is symmetrical alkyne. If in case unsymmetrical alkyne is there, this unsymmetrical alkynes with oxidation with KMnO4, it gives two types of product will be produced, that is acetic acid, another one is formic acid. But in symmetrical alkynes, oxidation with KMnO4 by H plus, it gives same type of product will be formed, that is acetic acid and acetic acid. Now next one student, that is this, whatever this student, that is 2 pentyne, that is 1 2 3 4 5. It is also unsymmetrical alkane student. It is also unsymmetrical alkane student. It is bond cleavage here. At left hand side 1 2 3 carbons are there, right hand side 2 carbons are there. So what is the production? That is CH3 CH2 then COH. One is propanoic acid plus another one is propanoic acid. Left hand side 3 carbons are there, 1 2 3, so that's why it is propanoic acid, and right hand side only 2 carbons are there, that is acetic acid, CH3 COH. This is the simple trick student. So oxidation with alkenes and alkynes, oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. This KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 act as strong oxidizer. It can oxidize it, that is double bond and triple bond. This is the very most important student. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Please like. Thank you.